check this place out. It's like this rock, which you can go through. Here's my bike. Look at this. I'm gonna be more spontaneous now. My world is this small. Food, sleep, bicycle, food, sleep, bicycle, food, sleep, bicycle. Yo! So Marcus, what have you been up to the last couple of days? Time of my life, you know, just surfing around, just tenting everywhere I want. So I'm just gonna enjoy and experience myself. No. It's raining! So I'm just sitting here in my sleeping bag, enjoying life or whatever. I haven't peed in maybe 14 hours. And my body has really gotten used to not peeing so often that I usually do. So while I'm in my tent, my body tells me like, no pee today, no pee. You don't need to pee now. No, you can pee later.
Launch! Hello! Yes, the children.
It's a Kinderplatz and there's a lake here. So I'm going that way later. Let's confuse the GPS, and here's a guy pissing. Yes, he's pissing over there. So let's not disturb him. Let's take a right here instead. Afraid of me? Why aren't you afraid? I will eat you. I will eat you if you don't move. I'm in top of the food chain. That's some Zen shit right there. I laugh. Yeah, that's nice. It's about 6 or something. There should be fish in this river because it's deeper now. You take away the biggest part of me. Ooh, baby, please don't go. Ooh, ooh. I'm so happy that I actually took this route. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, here's a bench and I'll take a 5-minute rest. Helvete, this road is closed here. Oh, what are they doing here? This is not good at all. Oh shit. So there's no getting through here, is it? Oh, do you fit? No, you don't. Let's do this.
I'm a outlaw. Nobody's gonna stop me. I'm invincible. Yay! Haha!
Pick whatever slope you want in any ski resort you want. Look at this. Do you see that? Do you even realize how hard this is gonna be? And I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be so thirsty, so let's fill up with 3 liters of water. The worst thing I've ever done in my entire life. It feels like my lungs are burning. I feel like I'm gonna puke. How was your day yesterday, Marcus? It was good, actually. It was really good. And this probably just goes on and on and on and on. We didn't start the fire. Hello. To forget about life for a while. Dun 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 dun. You can see, I'm only using one hand right now. I'm giving this bicycle a stranger. Don't be fooled by the flats that I had. I'm still going to Nepal. Where does this road go? I do not know.
Ran it flat.
that, man?
He actually turned around. Oh shit. I don't even know if it's called caps. I have no idea. You know, these down here, a lot of people who bicycle a lot, they always bicycle in shorts just to show off their whatever it's called, and that man did that, and I just commented on it and he heard me.
Visualize it. I'll give it something to do. Visualize it. I'll give it something to do.
Voila. On the whole trip so far, this is the best moment right here.
Sitting on a darker bay, wasting time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, which has a lot more action than the previous one, and I'll continue this way. If you like it, please hit that little like button down there. And for you guys that want more of this stuff, there's also a subscription button. So hit that, and I'll see you next Thursday, right? Yes! Skadoosh!